buenas, pues hoy vamos a hacernos el vuelo contrario, así de Edmonton hacia Vancouver. Ya hicimos el pre-flight, hicimos más o menos el principio y ahora tenemos control.
Express 401. Express 401, proceed direct nav B on course.
Alright, thanks. Direct to nav November Alpha Delta Papa India on course Express 401.
Vamos a ver que nos den la performance.
Hi guys, here's the load sheet for you.
Thank you.
Talk to you soon.
Express 401, continue to climb flight level 210.
Copy, continue climb up to flight level 210 for Express 401.
Vale. Tenemos las performances. Are you ready for the part to brief?
Ready.
Any questions?
I'm good.
Cabin crew on the slides and cross check. Below the line.
Windows and doors.
Closed.
Closed. Beacon.
On.
Thrust levers.
Idle the tent. Idle the tent. Idle.
Parking brake.
Set.
Before start checklist complete.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, good afternoon, and a very warm welcome to your flight today. My name is Norman, and it's my pleasure to introduce the rest of the crew today. Working in front we have Philip, shortly in the middle is Marcus, and at the back of the cabin is Joe. We're here for your comfort, but primarily your safety. With that in mind, we'd like to take you through the safety procedures of this aircraft, an Airbus A319.
Hey Canada 787, ready to check. Canada 787 Alpha. Edmonton arrival, I hear you 555. I've been trying to reach you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now ask for your attention while we take you through the safety procedure.
Ground to flight deck.
Showing the exit
Go ahead.
routes.
Hey Canada 787 Alpha, information Charlie.
Brace.
We're 787 and we're requesting to San Francisco.
2 in the middle, and 2
Thanks.
at the front of the cabin.
Canada 787 Alpha, you've already never mind, my apologies. You have not. Air Canada 787 Alpha, cruise to San Francisco, Edmonton 1 departure,
Seatbelt is fastened.
flight plan route, departing runway 30, squawk 4200.
It must be fastened when
We
the
are ready for
seatbelt signs
feedback and
are on,
start
and we recommend that you
facing
keep it fastened.
Say to San Francisco, Canada 787 Alpha, Edmonton 1, runway 30, squawk 4200.
Facing southeast. Release brakes.
Canada 787 Alpha, repair correct, person start your discussion, call for taxi.
Adjust. Put on your own mask before.
Oh, go when ready for taxi, Canada 787 Alpha.
Water, take the life jacket from under your seat. Put it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist. Click together and pull the strap
starting
to
engine
adjust.
2.
Do not inflate it inside the aircraft. When outside, inflate by pulling the toggle. If it fails to inflate or needs topping up, blow into the tube. There is a light and whistle for attracting attention.
You are clear behind.
That's 401, contact Edmonton Center 135.025. Good evening.
Must now be stowed.
Okay, switching to the center now, on 135.02. And thank you for the coverage. So long.
Take care.
Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Starting engine run.
Go ahead, cockpit. Pushback complete. Set parking brakes, please.
Brakes are set.
Roger. Okay, the tow bar is disconnected and the equipment is clear.
So you can disconnect and go to hand signals.
Thanks, so long. Have a good flight.
After start check.
Anti-ice.
Off.
ECAM status.
Checked.
Pitch trim.
Set and check.
Rudder trim.
0.
After start checklist complete.
Taxi nose light. Off. Clear left side.
Clear right side.
Roger. Have a nice flight.
Air Canada 86 Mike. Request taxi to runway.
Okay, Air Canada 86 Mike. Let's see here, runway 30, altimeter 29er, 89er. Looks like we got a 787 pushing ahead of you there, so let's go exit apron at Oscar, left onto Alpha, hold short of runway 30.
Oscar Alpha, hold short runway 30, altimeter 2989.
Hey guys,
Canada
all packs
86
are on
Mike.
board. Are we clear to close?
Que gire por aquí y que vuelva.
Roger. Have a nice flight.
Brake check.
Pressure 0.
Flight control check.
Full up. Full down. Neutral. Full left. Full right. Neutral.
Rudder.
Full left. Full right.
Cabin crew seats for departure,
Neutral.
please.
Taxi procedure, please. A despegar todavía. Full takeoff checklist.
Flight controls.
Checked.
Checked. Flight instruments.
Checked.
Checked. Briefing.
Confirm.
Flap setting.
Config 1 plus F.
Config
Yeah, Canada
1 plus
787 Alpha requesting taxi.
V2.
Yeah,
Flight
Canada 787 Alpha, runway 30, altimeter 2989er.
V2, 1.
Taxi via Alpha Charlie, Alpha, hold short of runway 30.
Runway 30, hold short of Charlie Alpha, Canada 787 Alpha.
Air Canada 787 Alpha, actually hold short of Alpha for now.
Taxi, hold short of Canada 787 Alpha.
Set and check.
ECAM memo.
Take off, no blue.
Down to the line.
Se nos quería colar ese Canadá. Que es un tío de Valencia, además. Por los turistas. Below the line.
Takeoff runway.
Runway 30. Confirm.
Air Canada 787, continue taxiing via Alpha, you're going to be following company 319.
0. Confirm.
Follow company 319, Canada 787 Alpha.
TCAS.
TRRA. TRRA. Set and check.
Engine mode selector.
Normal.
PAX.
Off.
Before takeoff checklist complete.
Vale.
All stations at Edmonton and Vancouver will be back 1 minute.
Drop song. Takeoff light on. Landing lights on. Canada 86 Mike, hold short, runway 30.
Air Canada 86 Mike, winds 3408, you're clear for takeoff, runway 30.
Wish copy, clear for takeoff. Air Canada 86 Mike.
All stations, Edmonton arrival will be closing in 3 minutes.
Take ready.
Canada 787 off heavy, we're behind the A390.
Take off. Take off.
Air Canada 787 Alpha, continue home short, runway 30.
Ultra 30, Canada 787 heavy.
$100 knots.
Check.
Rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Flaps up. Flap 0.
Speed checked. Flap 0.
Ladies and gentlemen, please keep your seatbelt fastened while the seatbelt sign is on.
Packs are on.
We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. Toilets
Check.
are located at each end of the cabin. Remember,
Air Canada 86 Alpha, radar identified, climb maintain flight level 210, proceed on course.
in just a few moments we'll commence our in-flight service, offering you the chance to purchase from
Fly.
our selection of fresh
Fly
food
level
available to you.
200.
All details can be found in
Call
your
for
in-flight
checklist.
Canada 86 Mike.
You can also
Air Canada 86 Mike, negative, that's flight level 210.
with drinks and snacks from the
210,
bar.
sorry. Fly level
We accept
210.
payments in
86 Mike.
pounds, euros, most major currencies.
Air Canada 787 Alpha, clear for takeoff, runway 30.
Exchange would be greatly appreciated. And if we could be of any further assistance, then just
Clear for takeoff, runway 30, Canada 787 off heavy.
After takeoff, climb checklist.
Landing gear.
Up.
Air Canada 86 Mike just departed. He is proceeding on course. Well, hopefully he's proceeding on course like I told him. Sorry, wrong way.
Second check.
Packs.
Edmonton arrival.
Down to the line.
2079 for an amateur.
Swoop 207, contact Edmonton
seatbelts on.
Center for 135.025. I will be closing now.
Alright, we'll go over to Edmonton Center, Swoop 207.
And all stations, Edmonton arrival is now closed. You can, for further clearances and instructions, contact Edmonton Center 135.025. Good evening.
135, not 025. Air Canada 86 Mike. Edmonton Flight Service Station. Good afternoon. Air Canada 86 Mike. Flight 400 feet. Flight level 210. On course 320 with you. Nada.
Canada 86 Mike, good day to you. It's Edmonton radio, turn left on course as filed.
Quebec durante el Canada 86 Mike.
Air Canada 86 Mike, Edmonton Radio, you are identified. Turn left and proceed as filed.
Proceed as filed, Air Canada 86 Mike.
Canada 86 Mike, you can climb to flight level 380.
Flight level 380, Air Canada 86 Mike.
Edmonton Radio, hello. Swoop 207 IFR to Abbotsford.
Canada 787 Alpha Heavy, good day to you, it's Edmonton Radio. Maintain your current heading for now and climb to flight level 210.
Current heading in 210, Canada 787 Alpha Heavy.
Confirm. Confirm.
Confirm. Clear red nav.
Confirm.
Canada 787 Alpha Heavy, turn left direct to Regad and on course.
Direct Regad, Canada 212, Canada 787 Alpha Heavy.
Standard set. Below the line.
Barrow ref.
Standard set.
2989.
Hello.
Checklist complete. Confirm copy. Active.
Hello, Edmonton Center. This is WestJet 177 across the IFR to Vancouver.
Cruise flight level is as shown.
WestJet 177, good day to you. It's Edmonton Radio. You're cleared to Vancouver Airport on the Edmonton 1 departure. Flight plan route departing runway 30, squawking 0772.
Confirm.
Cleared to Vancouver on the Edmonton 1 departure, flight plan route runway 30 and squawk 0772, WestJet 177. WestJet 177, your readback is correct. Push and start when you're ready. Taxi the apron to, at your discretion, to Bravo, holding short at Victor and call for taxi. Push and start at discretion, taxiway at Victor, Bravo, holding short at Victor, and we will call for taxi West 777. Hold short of taxiway Bravo at Victor. Hold short of taxiway Bravo at Victor there, WestJet 177. Kenya Express 401, you're leaving the Edmonton region now. Your radar service terminates for today. Commander Unicom 122.8, so long. Alright, Sensor, copy that, and thanks for the coverage. Switch into Unicom. Bye-bye. Bye for now.
Mach. Altstar.
Air Canada 787 Alpha Heavy, climb flight level 360.
Up to 360, Canada 787 Alpha Heavy. Edmonton Radio, good afternoon, Swoop 207 IFR to Abbotsford.
Swoop 207, good day to you, it's Edmonton Radio. Cleared to the Abbotsford Airport. The Edmonton 1 departure, flight plan route, departing runway 30, squawking 0663.
Can you repeat the squawk one more time for us?
Swoop 207, squawk 0663.
Alright, we're clear of the Abbotsford. The Edmonton 1 then is filed. We're making our parting 30, squawking 0663 for 207.
Swoop 207, your readback is correct. You can start up, push back as soon as you're ready. Taxi carry the apron at your discretion to Alpha Charlie, hold short Alpha.
Alrighty, push and start on discretion and text on the apron via Alpha Charlie, hold short Alpha, SIP 207.
ANA 763 Heavy, Edmonton.
ANA 763 Heavy.
ANA 763 Heavy, you cleared the ILS runway 26 at Fort McMurray, the CYVR transition, call established on final.